I'm going to show you how you can add collaboration on an Instagram post after you've posted it. So for example, here I have a post here I just posted. I just want to tap on the three dots section up here, and then you want to tap on edit. Now on edit, you want to tap on tag people here. Now on tag people here, you want to tap on invite collaborators. Now on here, invite your user, tap your collaborators, and then invite them, and then that's it. After they accept, they will be added as a collaborator on your post, and you can see it'll work no matter however old your post is. For example, here I have Wix here, right? I posted this on January 17th here. I just want to tap on the three dots up here. I want to tap on edit, and then on edit, I want to tap on tag people, and then I want to tap on invite collaborators, and then same thing. I just want to invite them to collaborate. So for example, I just want to invite Justin Bieber, for example, to actually collaborate with me. So just gonna invite this random guy here. I just want to tap on this, and you can see collaborators, and if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers and they will be shown as the authors of the post. And then that's it. Just tap on the checkmark icon up there, and then you're done.